Use headphones and try to repeat after me. This way, you can practice both listening and speaking at the same time. But if you are not here for practice and only want to enjoy the story, you can watch this video at 2x speed. This is the true story of Arunima Sinha. She was an ordinary girl from India, but she did something extraordinary. She became the first female amputee to climb Mount Everest. Arunima was born in 1988 in Uttar Pradesh. Her father was in the army. Her mother was a health supervisor. She loved sports since childhood. She played volleyball at the national level. She dreamed of doing something big in life. In 2011, something terrible happened. She was traveling in a train. Some thieves entered the train. They tried to snatch her gold chain. Arunima resisted. She did not give up her chain. The thieves pushed her out of the moving train. She fell on the railway track. Another train passed on the parallel track. The train crushed her leg. She cried in pain. She lay on the track for many hours. Finally, people took her to the hospital. Doctors tried to save her, but they could not save her leg. Her left leg was amputated below the knee. Her body had many injuries. Her spirit was broken for some time. She thought her dreams had ended. But slowly, she became strong again. She decided not to live in weakness. She decided to fight back. While in the hospital, she thought deeply. She asked herself, "What can I do now? What can I achieve in this life?" Then she made a bold decision. She said, "I will climb Mount Everest. I will show the world that nothing is impossible." People laughed at her dream. They said, "You cannot even walk properly. How will you climb a mountain?" But she ignored them. She went to Bachendri Pal, the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest. Bachendri Pal became her mentor. She joined the Tata Steel Adventure Foundation. There she started training. She trained in rock climbing. She trained in walking with an artificial leg. She trained in carrying heavy bags. She trained in cold weather. The training was very hard, but Arunima never gave up. In 2013, she was ready for her mission. She joined an expedition to Mount Everest. The journey was dangerous. The weather was very cold. The air was very thin. Her artificial leg sometimes caused pain, but she kept moving. She faced avalanches. She faced storms. She faced her own fear, but she remembered her promise. She remembered her dream. On 21st May 2013, Arunima reached the top of Mount Everest. She stood at the highest point on earth. She raised the Indian flag. She proved that courage is greater than disability. The whole world praised her. She became the first woman amputee to climb Everest. She wrote a book about her journey. The book is called Born Again on the Mountain. She received awards and honors, but more than awards, she gave hope to millions of people. Lessons from her life. The story of Arunima Sinha teaches us: 1. Life can break your body, but not your spirit. 2. Dreams are stronger than difficulties. 3. Do not listen to negative voices. 4. With courage and training, anything is possible. 5. True victory is not outside, it is inside you. Arunima's life is an inspiration. She showed that one accident cannot end your life. She showed that one dream can change the world. Today she is a role model for millions. Her message is simple: nothing is impossible.